Yeah.
What do you think about swimming?
Can I get a little boy and a little girl up here? I see you with the green glass right there. Yeah, right there. Come here. Come here, baby girl. No? No. Oh, that's Charles. That's Charles' daughter, that's why. Okay. Come here. And you, come here. Come on. Ready? Yep. Okay, let's get you. You hold it flat. Should we get another one? Come here, big boy. Because you're strong. So he's right behind you. Okay, everyone listen up. Can you guys hear? Can you guys hear? Everyone? Okay, silence. Okay, let's go. Welcome everyone to our 2024 Summer Fest. Thank you everyone for coming out, especially the parents, the kids. You guys are gonna have a great day. I know, look at this beautiful weather we have. Thank God. Thank you to all those parents for bringing out your kids, especially the donors and the sponsors. Those people are the ones that make this event happen. It cannot happen without them, okay? So everyone, kids, give them a big clap. Yeah! I'm super excited. It's been a long journey to make these events happen, but I love it because I love seeing all the kids' face, you know, seeing new faces and seeing older faces. But with that being said, I just want to say thank you, everyone. Please, any question, just come and ask. I know it's hectic, it's crazy, but my biggest thing is this. Every one of these kids are ours. Flu, so okay? You see something wrong, tell them, hey, don't do that. Hey, good job.
Good job.
These are all of our kids. Basically tell you how we've been doing for all these years. That's why we're growing. So guys, we are one family also, okay? Please, love each other, support each other. So please, that's my biggest thing is build bridges, okay? So with that being said, I'm gonna pass it on to Vila.
Hey, welcome everybody. Excuse my sore throat, right? But I just want to say thanks to all sponsors, all donors, and supporters all over the years. My mission also, besides just soccer, I believe that this is a part of our cultural preservation. A lot of our kids no longer speak our language or even know our culture. But the thing is, in their natural environment, they probably don't even know more than a handful of their own. But this is culture preservation to connect, to promote. It's beyond soccer. It's to create individual great leaders in the futures. And I thank you guys for supporting our HSA community. And I'm gonna give it to our chair, our event chair, Kong. Kong's our event chair, so I'm gonna give the mic to Kong. Thank you guys.
Yep, I just want to add on to Morgan and Vila. Thank you for all the parents, the donors. If it wasn't for you guys, this wouldn't happen. The kids, bring the kids. So happy to see all you guys here. The instinct, the out instinct. Thank you for making this happen. I just want to add one more thing before I introduce our guests up here. Okay. So if you read my post last night, I posted a late post. Came home from July 4th, I posted a late post. So I just want to reiterate, please, this is a fun environment, fun event, nothing too serious. Okay, so I know we have trophies and ribbons for the kids, but please, parents, Let's keep it respectful. Nothing negative towards the referees, the coaches, because they're all volunteer. No one's getting paid. None of us up here are getting paid. So please be respectful toward the ref. They might make a missed call. Leave it alone, okay? It's nothing competitive. Leave the refs alone, leave the coaches alone, leave other parents alone. Just be respectful towards each other, okay? That's the most important thing to me. Leave the kids alone. Cheer the kids on. Cheer your kids on. Cheer other kids on. It's a fun environment. Make it fun for the kids, for you, and everybody have a good time here. So before I introduce our guests up here, okay, we have a special guest, Kimberly Moore. She was here last year. She sung the national anthem so beautifully that we asked her to come back. So we're gonna have Kimberly Moore come and sing our national anthem for us. Kimberly?
Testing.
Please stand if you're able.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say, does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the
Okay, hold on. Wow, thank you. Beautiful song. That gave me chills. Kimberly, yeah, thank you, Kimberly. So before I introduce two of our guests here, this is our Commissioner of Cottage Grove and our State Representative. So first I'm going to hand the mic to our Commissioner of Cottage Grove.
Thank you very much, Hmong. First, I want to say thank you to Morgan here, man. He puts in a lot of work, a lot of hours, and this wouldn't happen without our friend Morgan and his team. So let's give him a big round of applause. So thank you to all of the organizers and the sponsors for making this possible. Man, I have to say, Morgan, I remember being out here on your inaugural one, and there was like 6 teams, 7 teams, and look at what this has grown to because of this community. And this is that's what this is about, is growing the community. And I appreciate the opportunity, and I'm honored to be out here to continue to see this event grow and just the collective community come together, because this is what it's about. And I so appreciate that you choose Woodbury and Washington County to come and have this joyous event. And so I hope that everybody has a great time, a safe time. And I officiate high school football, so please, what Con said, be nice to the officials. They do miss calls. So I hope all the kiddos have fun and enjoy the beautiful weather. It's a little cooler than it has been the last couple of years, so that's great. But really enjoy yourselves, enjoy the food, and have fun. And thank you so much for being here today and participating. Thank you. And it's my honor to introduce the state representative for the area, Ethan Chaw.
Thank you, Commissioner. Này kiểu miệng mong này phải có hai lượt bóng cho tay cho. Sao hai lượt bóng nào? Cho tay. Oh, okay. How about the parents that speak Hmong? Raise your hand, huh? All right. Okay. I'm Hmong, and I grew up here in St. Paul. And I was just like you guys when I came to America, but I didn't speak any English. I only spoke Hmong. And so I went to this little elementary school called Webster Magnet, which was in St. Paul. And I grew up in, Frogtown and Cathedral Hill area. And so I know a lot of parents here who are also refugees, or, we're not first generation, we're refugees, right? And so I know a lot of you are here, I see you. And this brings me joy. It brings me joy because I was one of these kids, I was an athlete, and we didn't have programs like this, We didn't have programs like this, and today we see our kids, and the kids are our future, because one day these kids will be sitting in my seat at the State House Representative, right? And they're going to be senators, right? These are our future leaders. And so our parents did something for us. They brought us to America and gave us the opportunity for, education, and to have liberty and freedom of speech and, all the constitutional rights that we have today. And that's allow us to have a prosperous community, and that's why a lot of us are here, right? Because we're here to support the next generation, which is our children, and give them a brighter and better future, right? The reason why I'm a state representative, because I want you guys to know that you guys can be a state representative. I can't be the president of the United States because I wasn't born here, but you guys can be in the White House. You can be in Congress. You can be a state representative. You can be a senator. You can be an astronaut. Be whatever you want to be, okay, children? Because your parents has afforded you the opportunity for the American dream. And so I want all of you to remember that today is not only about, the sports, but it's also about, your future. It's about the friendships that you make today, right? So this is all about one big family, being friends, being in community, because we need to continue to be in community so that we can grow together as your parents and our parents has done for many, many generations, okay? And like the host said, this is about the preservation of culture, heritage, and community, because we're losing that. We're losing our language, we're losing our heritage and culture, and we want to maintain and continue to move that path forward. And as your state representative, I'm committed to continue to fund events like, the 4th of July that we did. The House of Representatives with the Senate, we gave $1.25 million to the Hmong United family so that they can continue to have the 4th of July, right? And just for the parents to know that in the last 2 years, we've given $26 million from the appropriation for the state tax dollars that you pay back into the Hmong community, okay? And I'll just give you a couple of numbers because not all of you guys follow the legislation that we've passed, but we've given $3 million for a community center for the Hmong. We've given $3.6 million for the SGU veterans to continue services and for a community center. And we've given organizations like HAP and Hmong United and Hmong Chambers. And one of the most important that we did was we gave $600,000 to the University of Minnesota to continue to preserve our language, our written language at the University of Minnesota, and $500,000 to Hmong Museum. One thing I want all you guys to know is that next year, we've appropriated $600,000 to celebrate the 50th anniversary of Southeast Asian and Hmong in Minnesota. So I want you guys to think about that. And you know what, Morgan? There is a competitive grant at the History Center that you can apply for that can appropriate for a 50th anniversary soccer event to fund this for next year. So that we not, what I want to see is just not soccer kids out here, right? I want to see little kids playing pitao. I want to see little kids playing tulu. I want to see little kids playing volleyball, right? And we should put the net at like only 5 feet because I want to see these kids play volleyball, right? Right, and badminton and pickleball and all of that. Excuse my raspy voice. But it's been a busy weekend. And so I'm really excited that this is just a genesis of something that's going to be greater here in Woodbury. And I am your state representative. I represent Woodbury at the State House, and I am the first person of color to sit in East Metro to represent. And so I live right here behind Eastridge, and my daughter attends Eastridge. And in Washington County, you need more get your share, get no get Sabona, need contact me, okay? Let us put that in there. We have more resources. Don't challenge not there. We have more to big in the casino. She more to get Kong Ho Bay. She we have big in the casino, Washington County. Nilo, or you look on how now, and put the part on there, big a million tip, and the lunar tip, young eat of now, okay? For now, for how to pay to show what she don't share there. Nitolu, Nito Washington County, Nito Woodbury. Yeah, Nero Jade of Haku represent Nate, okay, show that there. She looked here, and no, who are so she had their top on it, so. Kids, have a good time out there, make lots of friends, and, smile, okay? And thank you to Morgan and the organizers for your hard work for many years to come.
All right. Eli, we got anything else? We're gonna do the ribbon cutting. Yeah.
Hey, let's all get in real tight and take a picture, hey. And so like, yeah, let's get in the picture, everybody.